Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to reset YouTube recommendations. So if you also want to reset YouTube recommendations, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in youtube.com, press enter. Now you can see over here YouTube is opened. So sometimes you might not be satisfied with YouTube recommendations. YouTube usually recommends you the type of videos that you've already watched. So if you want to reset the recommendation, what you have to do is delete the watch history. For that, all you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here this kind of options will appear. Find the option for your data in YouTube, click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. You can see several options over here. Here you'll be able to find the option for YouTube watch history. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to the activity controls. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option for manage history. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the watch history. So if you have watched particular type of video and you do not want YouTube to recommend you that kind of video anymore, what you can do is delete that video from the watch history. All you have to do is click on the cross icon that you can see right over here at the top of the video that you want to delete. This kind of pop-up will appear. You can see two options over here, cancel and delete. All you have to do is click on the delete option. Or you can also delete the entire watch history. All you have to do is click on the delete option that you can see right over here. You can see three options over here: delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. If you want to delete the watch history of today, all you have to do is click on the option delete today. If you want to delete the watch history on the custom range, all you have to do is click on this option. And then here you'll be able to choose what days to delete. Or you can also opt for the third option, that is delete all time. It will delete the watch history all the time. Select the option of your choice. Now the watch history will be deleted and your YouTube recommendations will be reset. So that is how you reset YouTube recommendations. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.